So I learned about this idea from this CGP Grey video. The video is only about 6 minutes long, and I highly recommend that you check it out. I'll add a link to it in the video description. Alright, so you know how New Year's resolutions are hard to keep? And for a lot of us, we give up or forget about them a couple weeks into the new year. Yeah, for most of us, New Year's resolutions don't work. They actually set us up for failure. They often make us feel worse about ourselves than before we made the resolution. Not only did we not achieve the outcome we wanted, but we have the guilt that we can't even stick with a resolution. But we keep doing it each year because the new year offers the promise of a fresh start. It's a chance to leave behind the old version of ourselves and become a new, better version of ourselves. But the resolution part isn't working, is it? So what CGP Grey suggests instead of New Year's resolutions is a New Year's theme. Year of fill in the blank. For example, a typical resolution might be something like work out at the gym 3 days a week, or lose 20 pounds, or get 10,000 steps in every day. Instead of a specific resolution like that, we could have a theme instead, such as Year of Health. The theme should be broad in nature, but also meaningful to you. A good theme will be adaptable and relevant to many aspects of your life. The theme moves you in the direction you want to go in the new year, but it doesn't have to be some big change that you do all at once. It's not any single action. As you live your life in this new year, and as decisions and opportunities present themselves, your theme pushes you in that direction, like a gentle breeze in your sail. And hopefully, you get that theme kind of wedged into your brain in a way that it's always there in the back of your mind, and it's always a factor in your decision making. So when you're presented with a choice, you know what to do and which way to go. Like if you're presented with the opportunity to take the stairs or take the elevator, then the health theme moves you towards taking the stairs. It's the year of health after all. And this sort of decision making goes on throughout the year. The result is not that you have achieved a specific goal, but that you have more health in your life. Your self-improvement line is trending in the right direction in regard to your theme. On a personal note, last year I sort of had a theme of health and I didn't even know it. Health was on my mind all year, but I didn't have the term theme in mind, and I didn't think of it that way until I watched this CGP Grey video. But it wasn't a resolution like I'm going to work out 3 times per week every week all year or else I've failed. It was more of a theme of health, and I did a lot of things differently throughout the year for better health. I wasn't perfect by any means, but my health improved and the theme worked where a resolution would have failed. What about this year? Well, my theme for 2024 is simplicity. I'm finding this theme to be meaningful in almost every aspect of my life. Let me give you a few examples of my theme in action. A new credit card offer comes along that looks really enticing. Then I think about my theme of simplicity. Not this year, new credit card. The last thing I need is a 27th credit card. If anything, I should be canceling cards that I'm not using or getting value out of. The decision presents itself, in this case, a credit card offer, and because the theme of simplicity is in the back of my mind, the decision is an easy one. No. The theme of simplicity also is making me look at all this stuff around my home and realize that I could do more decluttering and donating of unused items to make this space more calm, orderly, and simple. My simplicity theme is also leading to canceling some of these streaming services, consolidating bank and investment accounts, unsubscribing and blocking unwanted marketing emails, and removing apps from my phone. I'm simplifying my grocery list so that it's only the items that are healthy for me and that I enjoy preparing and eating. That results in less wasted food, saved money, and better health. The simplicity theme is popping up everywhere and it's applying to many aspects of my life. And my hope is that by the end of the year, if not much sooner than that, my life will be a lot simpler. But simplicity is just one idea for a theme. I've already talked about health as a theme, but there are many possibilities. You just have to find one that resonates with you. Here's a list to give you some ideas. You can pause the video or take a screenshot. So in 2024, I don't know, maybe ditch the resolution thing and try a theme instead. And if you like this idea and want to try it out, or if you've already tried it, let me know in the comments. I'd like to know what your theme is and how it's working for you. Alright, that's what I have for you in this video. If you enjoyed this one, please use that like button to give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos on saving, investing, and early retirement. Thanks for watching.